You send a cold email expecting replies, right? But nothing. It's not that people ignored you, it's because your email never even reached their inbox. It went straight to spam. If you're struggling with no responses and low open rate, then this video will show you how to fix this. Let's get started. Before we fix this issue, let's understand why cold emails land in spam. Reason number one, your sending domain has no reputation. If you're sending from a brand new domain, email providers don't trust you yet. Without proper warm-up, your email looks suspicious. Reason number two, no email authentication. SPF, DMARC, DKIM. These are like digital passports for your email. Without them, email providers think you are a spammer. I'm assuming you guys really don't know about technical things like this, but stick to this video. You will get to know how these things works. So reason number three, high spam complaint rate. If too many people mark your emails as spam, your sender reputation drops. Using too many spam trigger words like guaranteed, free trial, urgent can also trigger filters. Number four, sending too many emails too fast. If you suddenly send 500 emails on a fresh account, email providers flag you as spam. Number five, poor email content. Long, salesy, and unprofessional and unformatted emails ignored or marked as spam. No personalization, lower engagement, higher spam risk. Listen carefully. Your first email is everything. It decides whether you will land in the primary inbox or the spam folder. If your first email lands in spam, you are done. Email providers flag you as untrusted, and every email after that will also go to spam, no matter how good it is. But if you land on the inbox in the first email, you will trust. From then on, you can send anything. Follow-ups, booking links, attachments, whatever you want. So your first email must be highly deliverable. No links, no attachments, no salesy, no spammy, just a short, natural, personalized, text-only message. Remember, the goal of your first email is not to sell your service. It's to land in the inbox. Now, let's fix this. Step 1. Use a dedicated sending domain. Never use your main domain for cold email. Instead, buy a similar domain. Like your domain is brand.com, then buy thebrand.com or maybe brandmail.com or maybe brand.agency or something like that. Step 2. Set up SPF, DKIM and DMARC. These are the authentication records that tell email providers that you are legit. If you don't know how to set them up, you don't have to worry about that. Most of the email providers like Google Workspace and Microsoft are doing automation already to set these DNS records, the authentication records into your domain DNS. But still, if you need help, wait for my quick videos on this kind of setups. Step 3. Warm up your email accounts. Don't send mass emails from day one. Start with 5, 10, 20. You have to increase gradually day by day, at least 2 to 3 weeks. It's a manual process of warm up, but there are a lot of tools like Smart Lead, Instantly that can automate this warm up process easily. Step 4. Avoid spammy words and links in your first email. As I told you, first email is important, so don't act like you want to sell your service at the first place. This is 2025 and we have a lot of AI tools to check spam words, because I really don't remember how many spam words in this world that can trigger the spam filters. So before you use your sequences in your email, please check the spam triggers by maybe ChatGPT or any other AI tools. Step 5. Improve engagement signals. Ask questions in your emails to encourage reply. The more replies you get, the more email providers trust you. Step 6. Maintain a healthy sending limit. For a single email account, you can send 25 to 30 emails a day, including warm-up. If you are using tools like Smart Lead to manage your campaigns, then including warm-up, you can send a total of 50 emails a day. So alright, quick recap. Use a dedicated sending domain, set up SPF, DKIM, DMARC, warm up your sending accounts, avoid spam words and links in your first email, focus on engagement, get replies. But what if you have done everything right, but still your open rates are low? That's a different problem. Your subject lines, your sending time, and targeting might be off. Good news, my next video is all about how to increase your open rate and get more replies. So make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you don't miss it. Need immediate help? I offer one-on-one consultation to audit and optimize your setup. Click below to book a session now.